Alright, so this is my Google Drive. I've had this thing for a while, so I'm pretty familiar with it. We're just going to go ahead and go right into this year's folder. I've already made folders for all of my classes, and then I usually have subfolders in each one depending on what kind of assignments go in. So, if you want to know how to make a new folder, simply just go up here, type a folder name, and then it will create it. If you want to create it in a different category like how mine is, you basically just put folders into other folders like so. Wasn't really relevant, didn't really need it too much. But then let's go ahead and jump into the EDS ED270 and check out the basic tools badge. From here, this is just where I have everything stored. If I want to go back, I can do that. Double click it since I'm on Mac, or in case you would just right click it on any other type of platform, but you can download it, you can share it from here, basically whatever you need. But yeah, this is about it for me.